Today I'm going to teach you how to make baby back ribs on your pellet grill. Start by preheating your grill to 225 degrees. Once that's done, it's time to prep your ribs. So pull the silver skin off, use a knife to start it, and then a paper towel to peel it all off. This will make for tender ribs when you're finished. Next up, add your rub. Any kind of rub you like. I've got a homemade one here. You can use some of our smoky applewood or smoky barbecue, and just give it a nice rub all the way around. You don't even have to let it sit for long. Just get it nice and coated. Now, put those ribs onto the grill for 30 hours. We're going to stick them on there. And I like to go bone side down, cover, and don't peek for 3 hours. When the 3 hours are up, you are going to take them off and set them on foil, a large piece of heavy duty foil, so that it won't break with the edges of the bones. We're going to take some apple juice concentrate, about 2 tablespoons, just kind of crumble it on there frozen. I keep this container of apple juice concentrate in my freezer all summer long so I can keep using it for ribs. Add a couple tablespoons of brown sugar and a couple tablespoons of butter. Spread it all on there and wrap it up into the speeds up the process just a little bit. Back on the grill for a couple of hours. So after that 2 hours is up, you can take them off. You actually can pull these off after an hour and a half. Open up your foil packet and you'll see it looks delicious already. You're going to take some barbecue sauce of choice. Be careful not to double dip your scraper. So just drizzle it on and then spread it so you don't cross-contaminate your whole jar of sauce. We're going to put it back on the grill for just another 4 to 5 minutes to cover. It'll help caramelize that sauce and make it even more delicious. All right, let's take a look. They are ready. It smells amazing. Delicious smoke and spices. Everything smells good. Pull those off, and you'll see the color looks great. When you bring them in, it's time to cut them into sections. So just take a knife and section your ribs into 2 to 3 bone segments for serving. I'm going to put these into my insulated bowl so that they'll stay hot until we're ready to eat. I hope you'll give these a try. They are truly, truly delicious. So here are some of the tools that I used. Our grilling tool set is a full package. It includes everything that you see here. And then the insulated bowls come in multiple sizes. We also have another version called the on the go bowls, and it'll keep everything hot or cold during your gatherings. The half sheet pan for me is essential when I'm barbecuing. I like to use it to transport meat to and from the grill. I wash it in between so that it stays nice and clean. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support of your orders with my home-based business.